take a breath in and out. And take a breath in and out. And one more time. Yeah.